afterwards there was no continuous because Rinpoche already went to Malaysia. Di tanda lama shimba tanda khasa di yuwa khasa shi. Amdo lama jiwa. Thanse lama singare. Di roran ro di mangu chigo marwe tis.
Ente 제단 당사람한테 많이 준 나야 저야 말아. 지내다 고조라 이점 같은 나한테 봤대. 레센을 그때 깨깨온 차네. 맞대. 제선 저스겨 째치세요. 나는 가죽 제주 맞아. 어디 보소. 어때 제어스면 야 됐지 세워잖아. 되게 되게 말아.
Yes, there was one another Tuku Rinpoche. He is from Sokpa Khamse. He used to help a bit, like he's giving like buffaloes, cows to the poor people, and also he buy the whole rice, and give to the camp. If give to camp number 1, then give to the the head. So ask him to give to the poor.
Okay.
Like this, there are some Rinpoches who help. This Rinpoche I am talking about also built one girl hostel, Tibetan Central School for Tibetan in camp number 3.
Oh.
There's one girl hostel, 3-story.
Oh, okay.
He built his sponsorship.
What's the name again?
Tangse Lama sire mingare.
당사람아 가르선.
Nickname ro Tangse Lama sire.
당사람은
Mindo
민도
Kushu de la kharsa sigya. Actually, I also, but in the people call him Tangse Lama. Tangse Lama means there is one. Sorry, this in Tibetan. This Chinese one going with pig and one monkey. Yeah, there is one Lama. You know.
Yes.
There,
That one is the monk who.
yeah, who travel all the way horse riding. I don't know, but we call it Tangse Lama. he got this nickname. Yeah.
Okay.
Can we ask Geshe-la why did he like to help Rinpoche? Why did he always help Rinpoche?
Gengi Rinpoche la khadwina ropa khajin chi Rinpoche khare di thola nawa dobo dus lan ke chi tu ge. Gengi Rinpoche la ropa chi gor wala ropa chi di khare thola nawa don ropa chi so ta ki Rinpoche ki khare ta ta gi ngel chi bana shi ta yen den do chi ta di la gor wa.
근데 왜 루미셀을 무엇에 가서 좁어져라 로름 지하라 두 이거 애는 루미셀 거는 두기 상고 애네 집에 나가서 는 차상을 나치 두서 빨리 로봇이 두 이거 애는 주에 두 루미셀 현단 두 이거 이거 남신 알아 두 이거 제사 애네 들을 때 그냥 강도 주도 로봇이.
Okay, so Geshe Tsundu is telling that Rinpoche is very kind-hearted and very helpful for all the people. Also, he is very kind to him too. That's why, he is very interested in the public's work, like all the big work like this. He's very interested to help a lot of these poor people and a lot of this monasteries, temples like this. A lot of these big works. So he is like in this part.
Oh, okay. Similar interest to help community service.
Yes.
Also, can Geshe-la share maybe one or two of his favorite memories of
Okay, with Rinpoche.
Yeah.
Rinpoche chala tuzu ki yogi dile chigi sa kang chingi ji sungye yuesa chala tuzu ki utang yota chigi yorwa.
다지 좀 따라서는 다 맛이 심샤게 쇼데 두산 주로 좀 쇼서서 나를 자고요. 센터에 봐서 가모나 근데 쇼데가 망고 저 자용스. 인터넷 다른 사람도 주던 들리다 다른 사람이 그렇게 좀 나는 대대서 무슨 일이야. 냠도록 쇼데는 망고 유스. 인터 주산에 봐서 배주산에 롬부셔 투규 잠바다 안배 세상고 얘는 파벌도에 미인식이 기억도 잘 내가 그 항상 네 가서 당가서 있는 문제说 당마 쉬우지 여기
So he is telling that when he was Rinpoche used to ask him to visit his house. So when he visited Rinpoche's house, Rinpoche shared his feelings with him. that was very good time with Rinpoche. And also when Rinpoche sometimes asks to go to follow Rinpoche to like Delhi or somewhere, he used to follow him. So that time when Rinpoche, when he especially talk in English to the other people, he's fluent and like this. He said it's a very like a feeling, different feeling for him. It's look like wow, it's what he actually he doesn't understand English, but way the Rinpoche speaks, he's like a mind also everything changed like this. Feeling have a great feeling for Rinpoche.
Geshe-la knew Rinpoche when he was very new in the monastery when he was poor. So can maybe Geshe-la share how did Rinpoche fit in? How did he settle into the monastery when he first came? Did he have problems? How did he overcome his problems?
This one, Rinpoche thangbo gobal pedu kange khande yume da dizu ta tagi suwana shire shira thangbo kyobo de chidu je kame shiran chung ma so sunga de lowal ta konsu ta thangbo kange khare chung Rinpoche kange khande chung yume da dinde kor keje dinde thi sues keje ti gorda
thangbo yonzu zane America chi pei sa tidu chaba chapjana Rinpoche ke songu mari ta ngara so gyur wala tienza da Rinpoche ke ta khamba chung china Labra Kambar Tina Hyote, Chaba Chapjari, Joboris, the mother Rubusan as somewhere how is, and then Rubusan to shoot none, and was also your name Chani, Sungeta Kari and Chani, the Abuchonsa, and Rubusa getting draw some general pemberis, just Jobo Congal pemberis.
So he said, especially he haven't talked with Rinpoche before, but he said he knows that Rinpoche when he came was very single and very empty-handed in the monastery, and he used to, we used to tell so very poor that time. But he knows all these things, but haven't discussed with Rinpoche about that time because have no closeness. This and so heard and everything, and later on Rinpoche is after the enthronement, then everything changed, and all his knowledge and educations come out that time. So then everything goes very well and everything comes.
Oh, so what did the monastery think of Rinpoche during that time when Rinpoche was here?
Did Gombagi 가르친 거라서 Rinpoche did 교보 되고 슈디디.
하트디 Rinpoche 가서 다 남에르시 마다지 때 마다서는데 야보입니다. 그거에 이제 와서 이제 이제 말아. 이제 야타티 티산데 Rinpoche 잡아 지 강야마. 는 나라로 차잖아요. 또 해보지 Rinpoche 야보 있으나 되네. 감성 선서는 Rinpoche 걸어 빼면.
So that time, because we think Rinpoche was simple, came from America, he was staying, just doing his meditation, and he is doing his the chores. He was practicing on his own. So he was not going out here there, so people can talk about Rinpoche. He was staying. Just we know because we go through the road. So that time Geshe-la was also staying that he haven't, because Rinpoche haven't shown his skill of education like this. Later only know that Rinpoche is how well educated and how well he has his good karma reason, and it help for the lots of poor people and everyone. Do you want to like tea?
No, okay.
Yes. Okay.
One more question. I'm sure Geshe-la knows Rinpoche likes to tease people, likes to play. So I'm wondering, did he play jokes on Geshe-la as well?
Rinpoche na yu jaja chi ni ko ga wo resa. Zeng ga jaja chi sena chi do de. Ye la de sena do de jaja de yin de ko nyu ye si do.
자자로 도를 되면서 점제 전조 직지 자자 니 자자 선에는 점세 배 시쇼서 뭐 봐.
네.
이래야 되지. 도봉에부터는 나라 잡아라게 참이 저rum시게 그렇게 수많이 근데 정말 딩마를 찾아는 좀 봐서 같이 좀 다다 가서 걔네 주시로 데리다 홀리트 봐 배면으로 빼셔봐야 누군가 대도 군조선 무슨 도시가 들어가 있어. 맞지. 그래서 약불이 다
So he's telling that especially Rinpoche tease maybe the younger one more,
Okay.
but Gishila, sometimes Gishila come and he used to tease like, oh, you have done this thing, you have done this wrong thing like this. He's looking very like serious and he will be little like feeling guilty like he haven't done anything. Rinpoche was teasing him. So later on Rinpoche I used to explain la, and then actually he said he have very honor for Rinpoche, high honor for Rinpoche, feeling.
Do you have any more questions, Sharon?
No, that's it.
May ask Geshe-la say something about how about his feeling or he proud about Rinpoche achievement and this nowadays.
And things are Rinpoche ki ko lan yin khare thing dus tada.
다 대사를 해야 되는 그 전부 희우이 있으면 저기서 시행된 소소 시작하더라.
Really.
근데 집에 차를 쳤나는 것도 자산다 나지 강가로 끝이 뭐 희우 땡기요데. 이 바자로 줄때 타가서 타바서 맞아. 제로 저런 근데 로범 싫어 유스타 된다는 상말로 자산다 감세 강가로 좀 제리야. 디고 효요에는 나라 비슷한 거 싫어요.
He said actually for his only for his kindness he's very what he said cannot talk more great.
Without beyond words.
Yeah, beyond words. But for all the pub here in the monastery and everything, before there was a little cut timing because have no relationship with monasteries and khamsins and like this. So now these days he is very happy that he have all the relations and all the this one activities. He's helping all the temple like in Dandin Lachi and all the Shatsi and all the monasteries, and he is especially very happy and he is praying for more connection in future.
근데 신이로 또 무슨 사자지 고송을 근데 다니 쉬마데 사자디 그 자산이 균이다 가지 자산계 대가 소리 나지 단다 아버스케 아니면도 주주사를 원래
Twitter.
된자 안에 두수고를 무슨 저 페이퍼 삼지 네가 저 주야게 사전에 무슨 인터넷 가보셨어.
So he's telling about the land we have in the there. So he's telling that he was the one who went to talk for the land in the monasteries, and later on we dig water there. So that only nothing have done, but only this doing Rinpoches have feeling like coming back like this. He's very happy for that.
Is he Geshe-la missing
Missing?
miss very much
Yeah, Rinpoche. Yes. Yeng Rinpoche tingid best ta khanda.
제가 저희도 문에서 이 답을 해서 내가 전대도 무슨 이제 제우다가 나를 무슨 저희도 같이 참고 있어요. 저희도 사가면 네가 휴대한다 휴지 약을 와야 돼. 다음에 시계 배나네 좀 심지 현다가 저제산 팀도 뭐가 이 시다 같이 제제 마무 dos.
He's telling that he miss him a lot because if he sees this Rinpoches and these two this one, and he always think of Rinpoches.
Does he have any advice Geshe-la want to give to Rinpoche?
And Rinpoche la pa khare disuen le khare yonas.
다다 니세가 이거라서 부여도 되게 지나서 배가라. 근데 맛이 대소형 같이 전부 있어요. 도시 센터이 됐어. 나자 들으죠. 근데 주소 꼬리야. 다단계 주주로 좀 저랑 두지까지는 되네. 근데 데리다 호리트만 남하고 배샤 당연히 총성스 도시 센나스. 난 3만 원을 진짜 3만 원을 깨지되다 아니면 30이었어.
Okay, he's like as he has told before that all this medicine and everything right now he's sick a little bit. All these things went very well because of Rinpoche and all the center, these peoples. So he thank you all a lot and have a lot of good luck to you all and also for Rinpoche's.
Just now, Priscilla mentioned one thing is Priscilla is got a strong connection with our Rinpoche. Then I do not really understand what kind of the strong connection. Why he's so close with our Rinpoche? Why he so miss our Rinpoche? Can you describe?
This is his previous life's connection.
Oh, any pure life.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This
Are
is
they
karma.
all- Can you ask?
Yeah, okay. Rangi di lai do Rinpoche chala shiu dewa yapo yunye chi yorwala. Di dewa yapo yunye di tsidina dewa yapo da shiu chi ting di che di yunzen kar res.
다 오늘 전에 생각하게 저를 야고 땅이 길이 같은 게 차례네 그 미체나 소래나 다 지금 로마 또 베스 네마게 집을 때는 좋은 길이지 에 맞아 디가로 제는 좀 생게 빈자는 말에 개인기도 말 바바 비자는 말에 엔텐데 직 저와타야 때문에 다 장님하게 집을 되게 와야고 쌓이가 빠르게 되게
He's telling that in this life Rinpoche is not his any like a relative relation have any. He's telling that this one has become because of previous life he have collected a lot of merits. That's why he have this connection with this tribe.
But I don't know the previous life, what kind of relationship both them.
This one how can maybe previous life Rinpoche's maybe his brother or something in previous life Rinpoche's brother. Numan sila kari maybe lie you see but
그래도 빼줘라.
now.
나만 가지고 다들 눌러 또 치마가도 다들 쓰면 됐어요.
아, 네, 네.
어때 누가 들리지 좋고 이랬어.
Yes. Nama kari 다들
내가 내 가르사에 다들 눌러.
English.
다들 치마 가르치는데 다들 쓰면 됐어. 다들 문자시면 치마 문자 뭐야 있어요.
Yes, he is giving example like whatever he have done in the previous life, it will be right in this life you have to do. If what going to be happen in your next life, it depend on your mind in this life. In this life, if you do bad things, then next life, then finish. Yeah. In previous life, anything good done, then you can. Yeah.
You come to Ganden.
One question, because this interview will be for biography.
Okay. Yes.
So, what is the side that of Rinpoche that mostly other people don't know? Like maybe like one is like he likes to play tricks and all this. What are other things that
Something about Rinpoche that's
fun?
that's funny. No, people don't know.
Okay.
Only if you're close, then you know something
I
about
see.
Rinpoche. Something
Maybe
special.
like in the Song La Drang time or anything funny incident.
다 고조 dilana de Rinpoche la du ta de chik shenda mandawa chiki yunghe chiki di yungu duwas chik ni kone damda che do so tena tha ni bu yu ding so ina ha gu wo was tha ni ma de na ha gu go ma de kan de ina se
그래서
de ki ni de da ya bu ko tsu so ku tsu ga le do Rinpoche la du chik che handa di so dewa yunghe de so ina te Rinpoche ki kan de ki chik chigi yu me sama ha gu wo was tena Rinpoche ki de ma che ba shemba du su ha gu ma ra ha mo go ya kare ina se go ta
다들은 다 오히려 교수님 저와처럼 맞지는 하고 말아.
जी
나는 저와를 진짜 좋은 데서 하고 그러면 저와처럼 맞으면 담이 저희치기 남주도 때나 하고 내가 때때 좋아해. 마도 빙시고를 간다 이미 저와때서 맞잖아는 하고 말 되는지.
He is telling that if you don't have relation, then cannot understand love. You need to have relation, main important. Is it that question? No.
More like, for example, one side of Rinpoche is Rinpoche likes to play tricks on
Okay,
other
okay,
people. This
okay.
one we don't know one.
Oh, I see.
So like when Rinpoche, when he was
playing
in the
trick,
monastery,
yeah,
what
yes.
are
other things, other secret, special
Ladrang
things
time.
about Rinpoche that public don't know. Only
Okay.
close friends know.
Okay. So you means why he's doing this?
Any particular
Reason.
Incident
Not
that
reason, just instance.
instant
Well,
something
like
that
maybe,
you know.
Examples of
Uh-huh.
Rinpoche's character
Okay.
that the
Usually-
public don't know usually.
Mhm.
More like close friends know
No.
about Rinpoche.
Okay.
He's funny or he's very deep in Dharma.
Okay,
or
okay, okay, okay.
He likes to be alone or
Yes,
something
yes,
secret
yes.
about
Yeah, secret
his
knows, the
character.
close one knows.
Yeah.
about it. Okay. So this one is to ask why.
Huh?
Or
Or
from
Ah.
his point of view.
Ah, yeah, yeah.
what does he think?
다 보조 갈라도 겐, 다 르부체 고란게, 다 미기라 남주 된다다, 그 상마 미 지여와 소소 원시바 타 니보 지고 하고 레시고와, 다디 미 셴바가 하고 말레스, 디 하모가 르부체 고란게 디 남주 디 가리 나시고다 땡고단.
미 해다 저게 수이나 다가로 밑에 때부터 밑에 간데 있는 다다 좀 세버로 잡다. 기라도 또 그래서 무슨 때 또 유럽 차는 아니 밑에 간데 주입니다. 밑에 선바 상가 간도 연지 처럼 갖고 와서 또 네.
근데 지금도 지단디 캔서로 차스 고란게 지 가르스 버스나 다디 르부체기 지단 소소 모시바 신바든 줄라 지 남유 된다 카면다 망고 된다 르부체기 쮸바 야구 유메다 sama 하고고 레스 미 셴바라 하고고 민두 고고 말 셴바 유명인이 하고고 말 티 고마 주고에 경제 르부체 고란게 가리에 나시고다
다다다 통통으로 말해 미 유명 유준 매니저를 담비 들었지 하고토고 말 수대이나 다 하고 뭐 아주 당다 안에 대대도 매들 들었어 근데 요대도 이제 제세도 뭐 laptop 말아
Okay, so this one I also understand it's very this one I cannot I try to tell him but
Just do your best.
yeah, because you were telling that Rinpoche was showing these tricks to the close ones,
Yeah.
like your close one know him very well. But why does he do this to the others? They don't know. You are asking.
Yeah, something.
Not
really
to
why.
others. Means like, for example, because all of us we don't know Rinpoche when Rinpoche was here.
Okay, okay.
So like you want to find out what are other funny.
What is Rinpoche
secrets.
like? No, it doesn't have to be funny.
Or-
Okay, okay, okay.
What was he like? What is
Okay.
his character
Character.
like?
Okay, before
Yeah, before.
Yeah, when he was here.
I see.
When he was with Geshe-la.
Okay,
Maybe
okay.
he likes to do
So
meditation a lot. Or
I see. I see.
Habit.
Oh,
His
okay,
habit.
okay. I got it. I got sorry. 이마 기행견수 대화 지도 르무치기 다 쮸바다우다 직 지단다 지 요로와 인수 간데 레스 고리야. 다직 대 르무치기 다 지단 대화다 직 옆에나 대 랭이 가서 다기면라 다 르무치기 초피에다 레론데다 지 망고시 난고로와 되게 주도 어디 세상 미스 셴바도 하고 막 소소 모신바 하고 르무치기 지단기 남기도 쮸바든수 지 요로디 간데 레스 어디 라기도 와.
제단에 야구 시부를 했어. 그러면서 투 가서 밀려봐 토보 로야 저로 다 컨트롤 텐데 먹고 왔더니 그래서 무지도 껴가 간수잖아요. 먼저 혼다요.
Now.
혼다로 판다가 피리.
Yes.
그러면서 제주단에 무슨 뭐 잡을서 시작해서 용도
Yes.
되게 다지 다지 자고 지지 강에 treasure 니 강에 treasure 도모 잡수 싶어서 나도
No, no.
대대서 투수 차리스는 뺀 모습이 나란 제야 전에 야부 쉬우지 제기였어. 대여 rum시게 나라파 rum시 제조도 야부 쉬우지 나란 제사 인게 rum시 쉬우지 대차고 알았어. 얘네 대대가 그가 rum시 나야데 야부지 맞에는 메트리 쉬우지 뭐야. 매 왔어. 대인사 얘네 rum시 나란 남주도 쉬우지 야부 투 삼보 교환로 로름 제발 가보 아니 야 추루시야라 가보 근데 영상에는 rum시 코나탄다 지리기 하고 해야 돼 티찬게 기르상이었어.
So Gishila is telling that that time Rinpoche was that sometimes he used to come to talk the phone in this one handicraft. Yes, that time when the phone call came, Rinpoche used to answer, and there is some divination to be done. So Rinpoche was very worried, and he pray a lot for the people's that time where the divination comes, and then he pray a lot. So that time he sees Rinpoche's very kind-hearted like that. So he is very happy for that. Whatever he done that time, so now he is he have done very hard work, so he have gained all these things. Now he is helping like this lot of like monasteries, all these things. These are his what we call yeah.
I just curious. Normally, they mean you together with our Rinpoche. What are you talking about?
이 말을 무시해 잘 해도 괜찮아 이 계속 가르치기 위해서.
괜찮다 가서 저울라 남한테 그 제모로 저지 휴거를 빼면서 또 고를 그래 고장하고 휴거를 한 점점 저무서 그러서 레센트 개가서 그 비를 지도 첨부시 쳐도시 비가만 한 점점 저 가게가 진 점에서 저로 저 쇼선 개발나 그랬지 비게 또 고향을 휴지
He's telling that Rinpoche is very like peace-minded, and he used to ask him to go together to.